we're installing this trailer hitch called Draw-Tite to Mazda. We have this set of screws and plates, nuts, washers. And we have place behind the back bumper to store it. As you can see, I already made my own wire because it doesn't have one, and I still need to add one more thing, and I need to release this exhaust hangers, drop the exhaust, and then we could install the hitch. Obviously I wouldn't able to do it without this tool. It's exhaust hanger removal tool from Weasley. It's made in USA. Works like a charm. I highly recommend it. It took a little wiggling to get it in place, but as you can see, both bolts aligned, and now I'll need to add these washers, nuts, and tighten everything and restore the holders for exhaust. So this Mazda now have installed hitch. Everything is tight. Exhaust on the place, doesn't interfere anywhere. And we have specifications. And the plastic clips is back. It's tight. I can move the whole Mazda with it. So it took me an hour to install it by myself without any tools, without lift. Just ratchet strap, just half-inch ratchet with 19mm socket, 2 meters of wire, and these hands. So customer is happy. Goodbye.